Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with the November Junk Journal Challenge, day 11. And we're going to use some junk envelopes to do some flips and flops and dops and dips, whatever. So I'm going to use these envelopes, my skeezers, and my GNU here. Okay. Okay. So let's get this started. I want one to be, let me do that. One to be this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal this. So this is going to flip going up. Okay. So I'm going to trim there. Sorry I had to use a paint pen to cover addresses and stuff like that. So I'm going to seal here. And we're going to have this flip up this way and flip down. So I'm going to get my scoreboard. And my bone folder. I'm gonna go in right about here because I don't want the flip part to be, this part here, over here, to be too wide, because this is gonna flip like, go like so. Let me burnish it. It's kind of thick on this end, but it's gonna be taped or glued here, and it's gonna flip like this and go in like that. Okay, so now we are going to seal over here. Seal like so. Sorry about that. Now I want to cover this with something in my scrap bucket. Let's see what we can use to cover that. Maybe a book page. Just pull out a book. Whoops, not that. That's not a book page. Maybe a napkin. Or this one. It's a photocopy of a napkin. I like it so much I photocopied it to use it. Okay, so I can't find my book pages in this envelope for this project. Let's go in the next one. Let's see what we can get out of this scrappy bin. Oh, here we go. Book pages. And then, what else do we have? We have a magazine page. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so, here's what I want to do. I'm going to save these for the other one. So I'm going to take this and glue it right here. Like so. But I don't want to go too close to my folded piece here. So that's going to be that piece. So we're going to get our glue on here. And get this put back on here. Like so. And like that. And we're going to burnish this in there. Like so. Okay. And not, whoa, too much blue there. Okay, now we're gonna go in and we're gonna trim around like so. Like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna let this dry, and I know I have a little bitty piece over here, like right here, that needs to be sealed, so I'm gonna seal that now. Like so. Like that. So we're gonna let this one dry. I'm gonna work on the next one. Now this one's a flop of a pocket flip to the top. Okay, so now I'm going to make one that's on the side. So I want to again do my thingy here, and I'm going in at a quarter, just the line after quarter inch, and just doing this. Okay, just scoring it and burnish. Now again, I'm gonna fold the top, do this here on the top, and then we have the side panel. Now this one here, let me move this to the side because I'm gonna need it again in a bit. This one I'm going to do a book page right here. Okay. Now, like so. Okay. And this one's gonna be a side flip, so I gotta get it the way I want it, which is gonna be this way. I'm gonna put this on this way, like so. Again, fold it and burnish it. Let me get my foam folder and burnish. So this is gonna be drying. Now, what I want to do is a double pocket one. So it's gonna be like this. Whoops. Okay. Flip this way. I'm gonna put it in a signature. So it's gonna flip this way and it's gonna flip this way, and I got the double pocket. So with this one, I'm going to go with, let's see. Nope, not long enough. Not big enough. How about this? Nope, not big enough either. We're gonna have to go with book pages on each side, like so. And then it's gonna be done on the back side also. So we're going to get these done like so. And let it dry. And we're gonna do the back side. Burnish it. Spread that glue really well. And then we're gonna do this side. Not getting it too close to the fold. Okay. Burnish this one. Put it to the side. And we're going to do this one. Like so. Okay. Now, since it's gonna flip to the side like this, I want a nice picture here. So we're gonna go with the mountain. I want the mountain on here. So let's get this out of the way, get this down here, and we're gonna put the mountain on. I mean, trim some of this off so I can see what I'm working with. Put that to the side. Clip this off. Put that to the side. So I want the mountain on here, like so. Isn't that pretty? Bone folder. And there. I'm gonna trim this down and put it to the side and let it dry. Okay, so we got that one done. I'm gonna go back to this one. So this one's a top. Let me put a little reminder. Top. And then put this one side. Okay, so now we got that one. We're gonna do the back. So, do I want? Yes, I do want the camels. So, I'm gonna trim the top here. And we're gonna put them in the book at the same time. Okay, so we got that. Now, we're gonna put our glue down just above the flap. Got that. We're gonna see a little bit up here, a little space on top and bottom, but that's fine with me. After all, it is a junk journal. It's not supposed to be perfect. Okay, so now we got those 2 pages. Okay, so we're gonna put this all aside. Let's remove these 2. We have this envelope that needs to be finished. So we're gonna do this one. That's one side. Here's side number 2. Put that over there. And I'm gonna go in and add some glue on certain places. Like so. Because I didn't know when I was gluing it together if it was gonna. Oops, sorry. Medication time. Okay, let's wipe all this off of here. And we got this flip flop that we need to get this side done. So we can use the camel on this side. Now this side. What do we want on this side? I'm gonna let these all completely dry and then I'll be back to show y'all where I'm gonna put them. So I want them all to completely dry first.